another Killer Planes video.
Hey there, Steve from Killer Planes, and we're here today with goggles and a plane. These here are Fat Shark goggles. And we're going to take a little goggle flight. I'm going to wear these from when I take off to when I land. The big danger thing for me is takeoff, because planes are really close to the ground and a little wobbly until you get to speed. So I just put it at full power, pull back on the stick, and pray. And this, of course, is the Jet Hawk, which we're using more and more because I love to fly it.
You're going down, 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 down. You're going up. You're going down, straight down. Oh, right in. Plane is speared right into the ground. I tried to direct him, but he went nose in. Ooh, look at him, he has to really pull it out.
Walking on the snow. See this? I'm walking on the snow. I weigh 250 pounds. Snow is hard, and we just speared right through it again. This is twice in 2 days when the camera blew out from looking in the sun. As you can see, nothing happened to this plane in a nose-in high-speed crash. No, actually I was wrong. Something did happen. The motor came loose. All that glue and everything. Wow, it nearly tore the thing out of here. And we discovered something else too, that the speed of the crash jammed the battery down into the nose and it won't come out. That was a violent crash, very high speed. And the plane just holds together because it's reinforced with carbon fiber. We just happen to sell these carbon fiber kits, and you can buy one for your plane today at KillerPlanes.com. Måste vara en helt. Så kör vi